Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 10, and in this session we'll study the alphabets Fe, Qaaf, Qaaf. So the first Qaaf is different from the second Qaaf. Then it's Gaaf and Laam. I write all these alphabets for you, then you will write all these on a separate sheet of paper or on a notepad by yourself. I write all these alphabets for you here, and every time you write a letter, try to pronounce its name aloud. I write these ones for you here on the screen. So the first one is Fe. It starts and ends here, and here is a dot. Its starting point is this one. So you will start from this point, then you will go slowly downwards, and then you will end up here. So this is Fe. Fe. Okay, then the next word is Qaaf. So Qaaf start from this point, goes in a circle, then goes down, then upwards, and there are two dots here. So this is called Qaaf. Qaaf, and it start from this point. Okay, this is Bada Qaaf. It is also pronounced as Bada Qaaf as well. Then the second one is Qaaf. So it start from here downwards, then it's go like this one, and it has a line over it like this one. So you can start it from the top as well. You can start it from this point directly and come downwards, then go in this way. So this is Qaaf. Chota Qaaf. It is also pronounced as Chota Qaaf as well. Then the next word is Gaaf. So Gaaf has two lines like this one, and this is like this one. So it's also start from this point as well. Okay, this is Gaaf. Then the Laam, the alphabet Laam. Laam starts from this point, goes downwards, then come here. So this is Laam. Laam. Okay, try writing all these in your paper. I write them in a proper format as well, like okay, so I write them for you like wait, in an alphabet format. Like Fe looks like this one, then it's Qaaf, which is Bada Qaaf, look like this one, then it's Qaaf, Chota Qaaf, Gaaf, and Laam. The last one is Laam. So Fe, Qaaf, Qaaf, then it's Qaaf, Qaaf, Chota Qaaf, then it's Gaaf, then it's Laam, Laam. Okay, so try practice writing all these in your notepad. Okay, and then pronounce their name aloud as well. Just a minute here, we see some more things there after this. So I write some words for you here, try to read them aloud, and these words with the alphabets that you already learned, and also written in connected format as well. You can see when I write these ones here. Okay, so the first one, it has these alphabets. These alphabets, and in parentheses you can see their connected formats. Like this is the connected form, and this word has 4 alphabets: Fe, Alif, Noon and Ye, and it is pronounced as funny. Okay, try to practice writing all these also in your notepad. The next one has 5 alphabets in it: Qaaf, Alif. Qaaf has a slanting line over it. Then it's Alif. Noon has a sign over it which is called page sign, which gives us sound. Then it's Wow. Then Noon. In parentheses you can see the format, the genuine format, I mean to say the connected form. This is the connected form of the next word, which is called Qanoon. The next word has only 2 alphabets: Qaaf, which has a slanting line over it, which gives us Ka sound. Then it's Bay. In parentheses you can see its connected form, which is called Cub. Then it's another word which has Gaaf, Wow, Ra, Alif with a slanting line over it, and in connected formats it is like this one, it is called Gora. Then the next one has Laam with a slanting line over it. Then Re, Noon. Then it's Alif, and in connected form it's like this one, and it is pronounced as Ladna. Okay, and then the next one is, it has Noon with a slanting line over it. Then it's Alif. Then it's Qaaf. In connected form it is like this one, which is called Nak. Then the next one has Qaaf with a slanting line over it. Then it's Alif and Noon. In connected format it is like this one. Right, yeah, now it's clear for you. Okay, this is called Khan. Then the next one has Gaaf with slanting line under it, Laam with a slanting line over it, then Alif and Sin. In parentheses we write it in a connected form. It is called Gilas. Okay, then the next one has Fe in it, Fe with a slanting line over it. Then it's Noon. In connected form it is like this one, which is called Fun. Then Sin with the page sign over it. Then it's Qaaf, Wow and Noon. This word is pronounced as Sakoon. Okay, try writing all these in your notepad or in your paper. Okay, so next time in the next session inshallah we'll study that the letters, the alphabets Fa, Qaaf, Qaaf, Gaaf and Laam are connectors or non-connectors. Okay, so that's it for today's session. We'll meet next time in the next session inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Till then, Allah Hafiz.